The moon don't shine bright like this often. Love pouring out like a faucet, revive it in me.
Oh my god, I almost fell. Hey guys, I am back from my hair appointment. I just dyed my hair black. I just retouched it because I want my hair to be healthy. And it is so smooth. I just did black. You guys should go to her. Her name is Jennifer. I've been going to her since 2018. My sister-in-law, Manya, recommended me to go to her. And ever since then, I have not gone to any other hairstylist or anyone else because I am committed to Jennifer because Jennifer is so sweet. She's so bubbly and she's so easy to talk to. She has a good vibe, you guys. So I recommend you guys to go to her. Her description and everything will be linked down below. And thank you. I am home. I got my ring light set up, you guys. This is how it looks like. My ring light is literally resting on my camera right now. And it's right here. So this is me right now. This is so funny. It works for the time being. I just gotta figure out how to work this thing. But I will figure it out. And it will work out somehow, someway. I'm still learning. So I'll get there. I'm gonna do a little mini haul from Ulta. This is my little mini haul I got from my hairstylist, Jennifer. So I bought from her Kevin Murphy. I got a detox shampoo. It smells so good when she used it on me. I'm like, oh my god, it smells so good. My hair feels so good too. Conditioner. The packaging of this is so cute. Now on to Ulta. I spent $96 at Ulta. I bought makeup. The reason why I got this is because I needed contouring palette because mine is kind of like running low. Second thing I bought is this. I love Kiss press-on nails. These are the bare but better nails. It's like a nude color, so this is one of my favorites. I also got this. This is a Kiss Veda Bond nail glue. This is infused with vitamins A and E. Helps promote healthier nails. So I'll put this. This is a glue. So I'll put this on my nails before I put on the press-ons. I didn't know that ColourPop came out with new lipsticks. They always do, but I never really pay attention. But ColourPop is one of my favorite brands. It's my go-to for everything because I love ColourPop. It's so cheap and good quality, you guys. So I got their Fresh Kiss Lip Cream. What color did I get? Let's Vogue. This is how it looks like, the color. This is kind of like a reddish color. So this one is kind of like a mauve color. I love mauve colors. It's so pretty. And I'm excited to use these because I love lip cream because it kind of moisturizes and like feels like plushy on my lip, like a little pillow. Now, let's go to body shampoo and conditioner. This is Frank Body. I've never used this brand before. I like what it says. Clean babes have the dirtiest thoughts. The reason why I got it is because it smells really good. It smells like baby shampoo with pomegranate, yeah. I just love it. It smells good. The two last items that I got from Ulta is another shampoo and conditioner. I was like, I need it because my scalp is dry. I want my hair to be healthy and taken care of. So she recommended me Paul Mitchell's Tea Tree. I got the lavender mint. So this is the conditioner. Oh, you guys can't really see because my ring light is like on it. And then the other thing I got is the shampoo, of course. Okay, time to put everything away now. I changed my outfit. Well, I just changed my shirt. I'm wearing my stitched crew neck that my sister-in-law made for me. We are gonna go eat with my little cousins. And my husband is taking forever, so I told him I'm gonna wait in the car. Where he at? He in the car. Look at these fatties.
Oh, crabby.
I say fatties, You guys ready?
Yes.
We're gonna go eat Little Asia.
Sun ray? Okay. Oh. I forgot what was